More than 225 million kilometers away from Earth, on a cold and dusty world, NASA's Perseverance rover continues one of humanity's most ambitious scientific missions. This image was captured during Sol 1875 of the mission. At first glance, the scene may appear simple. A rocky landscape, a few scattered stones, an unusual formation standing quietly beneath the Martian sky. But on Mars, appearances can be deceiving. Every rock, every ridge, and every layer of sediment contains valuable information about a world that has been evolving for billions of years. The rock visible in this image immediately attracted attention because of its unique shape and texture. Features like these can reveal clues about ancient geological processes that once shaped the surface of Mars. Today, Mars is a cold desert. The atmosphere is thin. Liquid water cannot remain stable on the surface for long periods of time. Powerful dust storms sweep across the planet. Temperatures can drop far below freezing. Yet scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars may have looked very different. Ancient rivers once flowed across the landscape. Large lakes may have existed for millions of years. Some regions could even have provided conditions suitable for microbial life. Perseverance is currently exploring Jezero Crater, one of the most scientifically important locations on the entire planet. Researchers believe that this crater once contained a large lake fed by a river system. Over time, sediments settled to the bottom of that lake, preserving a geological record of Mars' distant past. The rover's mission is to study these ancient environments in extraordinary detail. Every image returned to Earth is carefully examined. Scientists search for patterns in the rocks. They analyze layers, fractures, and mineral deposits. Even a single unusual rock can provide important information about how water, wind, and geological activity shape the Martian surface. Perseverance carries some of the most advanced scientific instruments ever sent to another planet. These instruments allow the rover to examine minerals, identify chemical compounds, and investigate whether ancient Mars may once have been habitable. The rover is also collecting carefully selected rock samples. These samples represent one of the most exciting goals of modern planetary science. Future missions may return them to Earth, allowing researchers to analyze Martian material in laboratories using instruments far more powerful than anything that can be placed on a spacecraft. For the first time in human history, humanity is preparing to bring pieces of another planet back home. As Perseverance continues its journey across Jezero Crater, each new discovery adds another chapter to the story of Mars. Some answers have already been found. Many more questions remain. What happened to the water that once shaped this world? How did Mars transform into the cold desert we see today? And perhaps the biggest question of all: did life ever exist here? The answers may be hidden within rocks like the one seen in this image. Silent, ancient, waiting to reveal their secrets. Every photograph returned by Perseverance brings us one step closer to understanding the Red Planet. And every discovery brings humanity one step closer to the day when humans themselves may walk across this distant world. This is Mars. A world of mysteries. A world of exploration. Seen through the eyes of Perseverance.